week, cleaned up, clean cut, and clean shaved. I got the cover off the 68. I fired it up and let them horses sing. A little pretty thing, a little tan-leg Georgia dream, but she's rocking them holy jeans. And baby, what you got going on Saturday? You know, word's got it, there's gonna be a party out of town about half a mile. Four-wheel drives and big mud tires, muscadine and wine. Oh baby, you can find me in the back of a jacked up tailgate, sitting around watching all these pretty things. I get down in that Georgia clay and I'll find peace at the bottom of a real tall cold drink. I'm chilling with some Skinner and some old hay. Let's get this thing started, it's my kind of party. Baby, just do your thing, give up your keys. Hell, why drive when you can stay with me? And then after a while we sneak away from the bonfire, walk by the moonlight and down to the riverside. Got you sipping on some moonshine. Well, baby, if you're in the mood and you can settle for one night of rodeo, you could be my tan-leg Juliet, I'll be your redneck Romeo. Oh baby, you can find me in the back of a jacked up tailgate, sitting around watching all these pretty things. I get down in that Georgia clay and I'll find peace at the bottom of a real tall cold drink. I'm chilling with some Skinner and some old hay. Let's get this thing started, it's my kind of party. Up tailgate, sitting around watching all these pretty things. I get down in that Georgia clay and I'll find peace at the bottom of a real tall cold drink. I'm chilling with some Skinner and some old hay. Let's get this thing started, it's my kind of party.
And the fields, assembly lines, the coal mines, and the steel mills. Well, that's what we do, but there's more to us than that. If you wanna know who we are, it's on the logos of our caps. We're mountaineers, volunteers. We're the tide that rolls, we're Seminoles. We're a herd along steer. Drive Ford and Chevrolet, cheer 24 and 88. We crank up our music Friday nights on 2,000 country stations. Yeah, we're one big country nation, that's right. We might fix your water pump, your AC, bring your apple pie and fill your glass of tea. We'll take that FedEx package to your door, but underneath that city streets and old dirt roads. We're the fabric of this nation, and we're a nation all our own. And rebels fighting Irish and Cavaliers. We soup up our Chevrolets, cheer 24 and 88, and we crank up the same songs Friday night on 2,000 country stations. Yeah, we're one big country nation, that's right.
My weekends in a swing out on the wraparound. Oh, but these days I'm on a mission to get these wild oats out of my system. Yeah, I might stay out all night. I gotta do a little wrong so I know what's right. I wanna sit out on the porch telling stories about my glory days when I'm pushing 80. How am I ever gonna get to be old and wise if I ain't ever young and crazy? Now I might have to kiss, no telling how many lips, before I ever really figure out what love is. Go through some heartbreaks, wake up with headaches. Don't learn nothing till you make a lot of mistakes. How will I know where to draw the line if I don't cross it a few hundred times? I wanna sit out on the porch telling stories about my glory days when I'm pushing 80. How am I ever gonna get to be old and wise if I ain't ever young and crazy? Yeah, I'm gonna stay out all night. I'm gonna do a little wrong so I know what's right. I gotta live a lot of life if I'm gonna give good advice when I'm talking to my grandbabies. How am I ever gonna get to be old and wise if I ain't never young and crazy? Yeah, I wanna sit out on the porch telling stories about my glory days when I'm pushing 80. How am I ever